Our major uniquely blends together core principles of electrical engineering, mechanical engineering, computer science, and artificial intelligence. And we have crafted a curriculum which blends them together in a unique way, which helps our students design intelligent and adaptive robots.
I've taught the freshman physics course, and I've taught parts of the applied mechanics course, and now I'm teaching a course called Dynamics and Simulation for third-year students in the robotics program, and it is dynamics and simulation. It's how to write equations of motion for robots and things like robots, and how to simulate them on the computer.
I have been teaching 3 courses here. One of them is intelligent machines. In this course, we actually introduce students to different aspects of robots like planning, sensing, actuation, and then they'll also learn about how a mapping is done or how localization is done. I also teach a higher level course on reinforcement learning. There we actually introduce students to reinforcement learning topics and algorithms, and students take up different projects from different streams where they're actually working on interdisciplinary problems.
I do traditional undergraduate courses such as systems dynamics and control, which is essential part of any kind of mechatronics or robotics engineering. I also teach sensing and actuation, which is more relevant to the cyber physical systems as well as sensors and actuators on robots.
So I was actually a research intern at University of California, San Diego. It was in the Data Science Institute of UCSD, and we were working on modeling cough and how we can intervene so that we can stop the spread of cough. So it's a very niche area of robotics, where robotics has just come in to intervene in like a public health crisis, because we have seen what COVID can do. That's a new forefront of robotics research.
Sensors and actuators have taught me how to calibrate these sensors in interface electronics. And lastly, courses like embedded systems and FOCS have also helped me work with the embedded level processing and writing code for a lower level device.
So during the summer of my second year, I interned at the Indian Institute of Science on a project called the Bi-Steering Cycle under Professor Andy Ruina. This was a really engaging experience, and I learned a lot about hardware, software, as well as the controls behind any robotics project.
The program prepares our students for a wide variety of careers, whether it be career in an industry where you want to design new types of drones, whether you want to be a researcher in a top university in the US or in India, developing new types of autonomous underwater vehicles, or you want to create the next startup focused on humanoid robots. We give you the fundamental skills to help pursue all these types of careers within our robotics program.